Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we bring you timeless stories filled with wisdom, inspiration and life lessons. Today, we delve into the enchanting world of nature with a story about unity and teamwork titled The Quail King. It's a tale that shows how working together can help us overcome even the greatest of challenges. So, settle in and let's begin. Once upon a time in a serene forest, there lived a large flock of quails. These tiny birds were known for their sweet songs and lively chatter. At the heart of this flock was their wise and kind leader, the Quail King. He was respected not because of his size or strength, but because of his intelligence and ability to guide the flock through every hardship. But not all was well in the forest. A cunning hunter with nets and traps had arrived. His favorite prey was quails. Each day, he would lay out his nets, capturing several birds who would then be taken away, never to return. The flock was scared. Every time the hunter came, some of their friends would disappear. The Quail King realized that they needed to do something quickly before the entire flock was lost. Gathering his flock beneath a tall tree, he said, "My dear friends, our strength lies in our numbers and our unity. Alone we are easy prey. Together we can defeat even the most cunning of hunters. I have a plan, but it will only work if we cooperate." The Quail King continued, "The next time the hunter throws his nest over us, we must not panic. Instead, each of us will take hold of the net with our beaks and flap our wings as hard as we can. Together, we will lift the net and fly it to a thorny bush where it will get entangled." The quails nodded, their tiny hearts filled with hope. The next day, the hunter arrived. Seeing the flock on the ground, he threw his net over them, thinking victory was his. But to his surprise, the quails didn't scatter in fear. Instead, they all chirped a signal from their king. The Quail King commanded, "Lift together, fly together." In perfect harmony, each quail grabbed a piece of the net with their beaks and began flapping their wings. Slowly but surely, the entire net lifted off the ground and into the air. The hunter, bewildered, tried to chase them, but the birds flew high above him. The flock carried the net to a thorny bush just as the Quail King had planned. With a collective heave, they dropped the net onto the thorns. The sharp spikes tore it apart, making it useless. Defeated, the hunter grumbled to himself, packed up his tools, and left the forest for good. The quails, safe and victorious, gathered around their king. They chirped joyfully, "We did it!" The Quail King smiled and said, "Yes, my friends, we succeeded because we worked as one. Remember, unity is our strength. As long as we stand together, no challenge will be too great for us." And so, the quails learned that teamwork and unity can help overcome even the greatest of challenges. This beautiful story reminds us of the power of cooperation, whether in a family, a group of friends, or a community. Standing together makes us stronger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tales. What lesson did you learn from the Quail King's story? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay united and keep believing in the power of teamwork.